everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a triptych tonight and I've already poured the white on and put my canvases right up together, and so I'm going to torch this real quick and then we'll get started with the colors. Okay, and at the end of the video I will insert a clip of all the colors I used. So, let's get started. I think I'm gonna kind of, let's see here. I think that'll be cool. A little squiggly. Might be cool. I'm super excited to see these colors together. I cannot wait. Gold. And you know, I think I might put a little bit more of this darker blue because I didn't do a squiggly of it first time. Let's see here. Maybe a dash more pink. You know, I probably don't really need it, but I probably have enough colors, but I always think I need more for some reason. And maybe dash more gold because I'm obsessed with gold in paintings, and a little bit more of the phthalo green because it makes really cool colors mixing with the white and other blues. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna flub with white. Whoops. Oh boy. I should have kept my little spout pour thing on there. I think this might need a little bit more here. Okay. Going to torch this, pop the air bubbles. And now, let's see if I can blow this without messing it up. Okay, I'm going to blow the white over. Okay, now I'm going to think about this for a minute, exactly how I'm going to blow it. And we'll just see as we go. Pretty cool. Wow. And more colors are popping up. Woo! Oh, that's so cool. I touched it there with a blow dryer. Darn it. Oh, there's a gnat. Yeah, this is looking really cool. I love that phthalo green. Oh. Okay, I'm going to separate these a little bit. Yeah, these are super cool. Really cool. I love these. Wow. There is quite a bit of white right here, but you know, I think I'm just going to leave it because it's just so cool, and I don't want to do something to make me not like it as much anymore. I think that I'm going to leave it like that. Oh, wow. I think I'm going to have to use these colors again for another triptych or a diptych. Just anything. Maybe I could use these colors on cloud pour. That would be awesome too. Okay. I'm going to torch this a little bit. Okay, this is probably my favorite painting that I have done. I almost didn't use the pink in there or the lighter blue, but I'm so glad I did because it just all came together so well. Oh man, I hope this gnat doesn't get in there because I can't cover this one up to dry. Oh wow, I just love it. And the spot that I touched with my blow dryer, you can't even really tell. It's got some cells there now. So I'm gonna just go around and check my white, the edges, and make sure they're good. Okay, I'm gonna give it another little torch. Going down the edge first. Wow, I just can't get over these colors. So cool. Touch up that little spot there. Wow, just amazing. Definitely my favorite piece I've ever done. And I'm really glad I decided to do it in a triptych. Very cool. I will probably use these exact same colors on the other big canvas that I have because I think people are going to love it. And I think they'll want it. I'm going to let this sit for a couple more minutes and then we'll go in for our close-up. Okay, so here is the close-up. I am trying to get the best view from above as I can with all three of them. But let's just go down in for the close-up. Again, I just love this. This is definitely my favorite piece that I've ever done. I just love all these colors. The cells, the details. I just cannot get over it. Can't wait to use these colors again. I want to try it in a cloud pour too. I think that would be awesome. Beautiful. Wow. Just look at all the colors. Look at those cells right there with all the different colors in them. That's crazy. Man, these colors together made crazy cells. Wow, I just love it, you guys. Please let me know if you love it too. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to buy this painting, please email me, or it will be on my Etsy shop in a few days. Thank you guys. Have a good night. Okay, so these are the colors that I used. Deco Art Royal Fuchsia, Deco Art Turquoise Blue, Apple Barrel Royal Violet, Folk Art Navy Blue, Folk Art 14 Karat Gold, and Artist Loft Phthalo Green. And the white I used was Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And all my paints are mixed with water and Floetrol, half Floetrol. Oh, I'm sorry, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part water, 1 part paint. And I did do a dash over 1 part water in there, just because I like them to be a little bit thinner. And so I'm just going to give one more quick look at this. And these are 12 by 24 canvases, so it will be sold as a 3-piece, and each one is 12 by 24 inches. And again, my email will be in the description box if you would like to purchase this, or it will be in my Etsy store in a few days. So I will also put the link down below for that. And thank you guys again. Have a good night.